Hello everyone, this is Professor Priya from Paaṭha AI. On this glorious 79th Independence Day, we extend our heartfelt wishes to every Indian.
Professor, what made our freedom fighters so brave? How did they envision independent India?
Excellent question, Sneha. Today, we honor the courage of our freedom fighters who dreamed of an independent India. Their vision was not just of political freedom, but of a nation where knowledge flows freely and every mind can flourish.
The tricolor is so beautiful. What message does it give us about true independence?
Great observation, Arjun. As we celebrate our tricolor, we are reminded that true independence comes through education and empowerment. Knowledge liberates minds and builds strong nations.
Professor, India has always been a land of learning, right? From ancient universities to today's technology.
Absolutely. From the ancient seats of learning in Nalanda to today's digital classrooms, India has always been a land where wisdom thrives. We are continuing this beautiful tradition.
So what should we pledge to do this Independence Day? How can we contribute to our nation's future?
This Independence Day, let's pledge to continue this legacy. Let's commit to building an India where every student from bustling cities to remote villages has access to quality education.
It's amazing how technology like Paaṭha AI is helping education reach everyone. Learning truly knows no boundaries now.
Exactly. May our nation continue to rise through the power of knowledge, innovation, and the indomitable Indian spirit that lives in each of us.
Jai Hind, this Independence Day truly inspires us all to learn, grow, and contribute to our incredible nation's bright future.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. With warm regards from the Paaṭha AI team. May this day fill your hearts with pride and inspiration. Jai Hind.